Hello guys, welcome to my channel Ismail Bajarla. Please do subscribe my channel and activate the bell icon to identify in every update. Now I am doing COVID-19 data analysis course with using Python. So this video contains the course link. You can directly go with this link, or else you can search here as COVID-19 data analysis using Python. I am using this link and just click on review. I am just directly going to this course. This is course are already done by me. And we scroll down, it has one project and only 1 week. Click on this switch, it takes 20 minutes, and you can choose the same with this link provided in the description below. I'm just with this, I'm going this, and I'm just try again for you. If you are new with this course, you can start this switch. And here our question: which statement refers to the result of our analysis? These developed countries are more prone to getting this infection. And which line of code will show you first 8 rows of the data frame? Is df.head in the parentheses 8. And the next question: which of these methods is used to delete column in a data frame? We are choosing dot, drop and parentheses. The fourth one: why did we perform aggregation on COVID-19 data set? Answer is because in each row of our data frame we had data related and so on. And fifth question is: in drop method we have a parameter called in place. What is used for? We set this parameter to be true, to drop the column instantly without returning a data frame. And the sixth one is: which options could be good measures of our analysis? Maximum number of new infections cases in every 24 hours and average number of new infected cases in every 24 hours. Don't put the sum of all the number of infected cases till date. And the seventh one is: which of these methods will return the first derivative of a panda's race value? We are moving to the def with the parentheses. And the eighth one is: which method is used for creating the correlation matrix in panda's data frame? So we are using correlation. So we are using CORR parentheses. And in ninth question, in task 4, why did the changes indicate the World Happiness Report dataset to country names before joining it with the Corona data frame? It has to access the data to have some indicates as Corona. In task 4, we have to do this task 4, then only we are going to know about this 9th question. In 10th question, in Cebron, which of these methods plots scatter plot and fit a line to plot? The plot is reg plot parenthesis. This function is used for us to plot this above plot, scatter plot, and then submit. Yes, I got here 100%. We are moving back to the info of this course. I am going to show my certificate, which are done in this morning. Here I completed 23rd November with a grade of 100%. Here is my Python data analysis of COVID-19 Coursera certificate. And here we done the course. Now we have to move our YouTube. Search here as Ismail Bajarla. Please do subscribe and activate the bell icon for all. You will receive all notifications from my every update of my channel. And thank you for watching this video.